Hi, this is TD Flanaw, and today we're going to talk about some of the major differences between home and school that make it very difficult to succeed in school. So, we're talking in general terms. When there is a disconnect between school and there's a disconnect between home culture, then school feels like an other. It does not feel part of what's normal. Remember, kids are native to their home language and their home culture. And when school and home don't align and there's a big difference, what happens is that the child may reject school because there's no alignment between the two or little alignment. So, one of the ways to combat this issue is for parents to really think about how to integrate school learning with home life. So, this does not have to be as daunting as it may sound when we first hear about this. It is as simple as making it so that you are pointing out as a parent the things that you're doing and the task that you're doing at home that really translate to what you're doing at school. When we think about something and a task that is as simple as going to the grocery store, we can think about how we might integrate that with reading and writing and even math. So, one way is to help your child read the grocery store. So, as they're going aisle by aisle, they can help you find the different items that are on your list. Number one, you may be asking them, where are the apples or where are the meats? And helping them to identify that at the top of the aisles, there are these markers or signs that say produce. It says tea, coffee. It might say bread. It may say baking goods. And that is a way that the child can read the grocery store. And so once you get to the aisle that you need to find a particular item, you could then move into the math skills and point out that they're reading the grocery store. Point out that they're going to be reading the different labels that are on the packages and point out that they're using their math skills as they're going to the grocery store and looking at these items. Now, yes, I know that many of us are using delivery services and different apps to buy the things that we need now, and that's fine. We could still use those same um, apps and do it in a more 21st century way or 22nd century, some even say, to make sure that our child knows about the technology and are using the technological advances to make life easier or more convenient. But just think about how you might integrate the math, the reading, and the writing skills. Of course, writing skills can be done at home before you go to the grocery store by writing the grocery list. Again, you could also have them type the grocery list. So, again, the writing is there, the reading is there, the math is there. Depending on their age, you level up what they're doing. Or if they're younger, it'll be less taxing for them, right? They might just be finding the first letter on that store sign that says the bread aisle. Instead, you'll just say, "Where's the B? Do you think this is going to be for bread? B?" And then they could think, yeah, I think it is. Or if they're learning their sounds, or you could tell them, B, tell them what it is. And then as they're older, you could actually really help your child by saying things, challenging them. So it says that this bread is 25% off. It is $2. So what's 25% off of this bread? And as simple as helping them understand that 25% also stands for 25 over 100%, right? 100 is cent. and then telling them, that actually reduces to 1/4 or 1/4. So then you could divide by 4 the cost, which is dollars or 200 cents, and how much money is that off, right? And helping them to understand that's 50 cents off, breaking it down to them. And of course, you could start with much simpler numbers for them, but if they're more advanced as children, you could help level it up for them. So, they might be totally in charge of the grocery list if they're a certain age. And if they're, in the middle, you might be helping them spell those words. But again, you're able to check in with your child to see where they are with their reading and writing skills, and it really helps you.